this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a new listing of ours. This is a 2023 Aquila 36 outboard. Let's take a look. Starting off in the bow and arguably the most comfortable place to hang out on Aquila's 36, check out the size of these loungers. We have them both port and starboard side. Armrests that fold down. You can have opposing seating here as well when these fillers are not in place. Stainless steel grab rails on both sides, cup holder speakers. Somebody who's well over 6 feet can stretch out in a reclined position. If you just wanted to lay out and catch some sun, you got plenty of space to do so as well. We have the Flexi teak here up in the bow, in addition to the aft cockpit as well. So it's a maintenance-free synthetic teak, looks really sharp, dresses up the boat very nicely. Remote-controlled anchor windlass on the 36 Aquila. We've also got lockers down on the floor, including one for a reboarding ladder as well. You can see we have the stainless steel bow rail, so you have a nice, safe, secure feeling down in the bow. Nice gunnel height as well, so small children and moms will feel safe and secure up here. We have a full walkthrough from the bow all the way to the aft portion of the boat between this block-off door, and we can close the windshield. So you've got a really seamless transition when you're going from bow to stern or from the cockpit up to the bow. So now here in the Salon on Aquila's 36, this is a cruiser's package boat. So we've got the full 3-pane Salon, full-size Salon doors, glass doors, along with the full windshield. So you've got full protection from the elements when you need to get out of the rain. So consider it an all-weather boat. But when it's a hot day and you want to be in the air conditioning, you can transition from the sunshine into here, under here as well. Obviously a ton of sun coverage with the huge hard top and in a climate controlled space. Huge counter area, Corian countertop. We do have an induction style cooktop from Kenyon. Freshwater wet bar sink. Great place if you wanted to lay out a charcuterie board. Nice sized cabinet style storage here. Pull out refrigerator. Again, air conditioning above deck in addition to what you have in both cabins. Fold out trash receptacle. We do have a table here, fiberglass table that is on a high-low. You've got L-shaped seating that wraps around this table. So nice high backrest and a nice comfortable reclined position. Very comfortable place to hang out and enjoy a meal or some drinks. Coming up to the observer seat, this backrest does pivot to face either direction, so you can face aft when you're up and running. You can face forward. Nice double wide seat. So you can seat a couple here or a parent and a child. You've got grab rail here for safety, a couple of cup holders and charging ports as well. Transitioning over to the helm, we have bolsters that work independently of each other. So you can have a passenger in a seated position with the driver in a leaning position with a nice stainless footrest or vice versa. It's a really fun, comfortable boat to drive. Steering wheel is on a tilt base should you need it. Nice vinyl wrapped steering wheel. Twin 12-inch screens from Simrad along with a Mercury vessel view display. We've got our Fusion stereo head unit with Bluetooth control, digital throttle and shift. But this boat is powered by the 4.6 liter V8 naturally aspirated Mercury 300 Verados with the foil as well. So great performance on this boat, approaching top speeds around 40 miles per hour. Joystick control includes skyhook and autopilot features built in. We have cup holders here. Ignitions are conveniently located. Great visibility. Again, the full glass gives you good protection. You've got a great line of sight. There's very little bow rise on this boat, so you feel like you're in control pretty much in any condition. We do have a spotlight on board as well. And I mentioned the ventilation hatch going forward to transition. We also have powered hatches up into the ceiling in the hardtop, so you can open and close those and get a little more ventilation there as well. Now we're down below in the port side cabin. Great amount of space and accommodations on the Aquila 36. You can see we've got a nice sized berth area. You can comfortably sleep 2 adults very easily. Also good storage down here. You have pull-out drawer storage beneath the bed. You have a couple of cabinet style storage lockers as well. Outlets for anything that you might need. Hair dryers, straighteners, phone chargers, all that kind of stuff. Good headroom is in here as well, so someone who is over 6 foot tall can very comfortably stand up. Notice the finish work and all the woodwork. Really high end, looks really sharp, and dresses this space up really nicely. So moving into the head area, again, plenty of headroom, a lot of space to maneuver. You feel very comfortable. We do have a pull-out sprayer for your shower that's tied into the sink. Corian countertop. Like we had inside the cabin area or the berth area, we have good lighting here. So there's whole side windows, there's windows overhead. So it's a nice space if you need to change or use the facilities, of course. We do have nice sized storage lockers as well behind these cabinets. And we have a teak overlay in the floor for where you need to shower. Behind me, there's hooks for towels or a change of clothes or a bathrobe or anything like that. And then you can hook your shower wand here to keep it in place. Now we're down on the starboard cabin, which is identical to port, but did want to show this is where the boat's distribution panel is and also its battery switches. Very well laid out, very easy to understand. Generator control is also down here as well. And you also have air conditioning thermostat down here. So this is a boat that will very comfortably sleep 4 people down below, in addition to anybody that you wanted to sleep in the dinette that does convert. So whether this is a long weekend boat or a long distance cruiser you want to take to the Bahamas, it's a really flexible boat between day cruising and overnighting that is appealing to any market on the East Coast. So now we're here in the cockpit on Aquila's 36 Sport. This is where you really feel the 14.7 beam on this boat. We have full seating all the way across. I mean, you can easily seat half a dozen people back here very comfortably. Nice high backrest. You've got touch points throughout with stainless steel grab rails. We have swing-in dock doors on both sides that do lock into place, which is really convenient as far as getting in and out of the boat, regardless of the orientation you're able to dock to. We also have fuel fills on both sides, cup holders and rod holders as well. So this is a really practical and versatile space. We do have engine compartments, both port and starboard. This boat does have the hull shield growth deterrent system. The head unit is actually installed down here. And then beneath the starboard side is actually where our generator is housed. Walking over here, got a nice high stainless steel frame with an acrylic insert door with the Aquila logo. Freshwater sprayer as you reboard the boat. So because this is such a shallow draft boat with the outboards, this is a great boat to take to the beach or to the sandbar. We've got a large ladder that lives underneath this hatch for easy reboarding, safely away from the engines. And again, that synthetic flexi teak all throughout. So you've got a nice cool surface to your feet, and it dresses this space up really nicely. That concludes our walkthrough of our 2023 Aquila 36 Sport. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.